proud, and that's why, because I know once I go now and buy a house in London, for example, which I had before, I had in America, but I sold them in 1996 when I decided to go into industry, because I was in trading. So trading was very simple. I would just put orders. I don't have to even be here. But then I said, okay, fine. If I have these houses, I will be going there. You know, I must create a reason why I must go. You know, I don't believe, you know, well, our office in London opened over 30 years ago. But I think, 35 years ago. Actually, before we even, you told me 33 years ago, and yes, it was London office that issued your letter of employment. So we had this about 30 years. Why office 35 years ago? But I said that, look, if I have houses all over in America and co, I will not be able to concentrate and be able to build something for my people. So the best thing to do is okay.